Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I have this cool image right here, and basically what this is an LCD writing board, or you can also call it as a doodle board as well. So you can definitely write stuff on here, erase stuff on here. However you guys want to use it, that is up to you guys, but this is basically what the packaging looks like for the one that we got right here. If you guys look at the back part here, they show you guys instructions and some features on the actual product right here to let you guys know what's actually included on here. But definitely having one of these are super convenient. That way you can actually just use this tablet right here to write stuff and erase stuff and repeat the same stuff over and over. So definitely save a lot of paper. But this is basically what the product looks like on the outside right here. Let me actually open up and show you guys what's included inside first. So first thing you see inside, they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to set a product and how to use it. And then right here we have the actual product. If you can see, it's pretty small. So the one that we got right here is a small one. They do have a bigger one, so if you guys prefer the bigger one, you can definitely get that one instead. For me, I didn't need a really big one. The small one is actually good enough for me, so that's why I went with this one right here. But you see on top right here, they do have a little stylus right here, and they have a little holder to actually hold it as well. And then bottom part right here, they do have a raise button. And then very bottom right here, this is basically the unlock or lock button. So if you guys want to lock the actual product right here, so let's say for example, I write stuff on here. If I try to erase it, it won't work. But if I unlock it, if I try to erase it again, it works. If you guys look really carefully right here, this is basically the battery compartment. So if you guys need to replace the battery, you can definitely open up this part right here to replace it. And if you guys notice in the back part right here, they do have the little symbol or indicator to show you guys which one is locked and which is unlocked here as well. So that way you guys always know which one to actually use. But that is basically everything that's included on the actual product right here. Some cool benefits about the product is the fact that there should not be any glare on the actual product. It shouldn't have any blue light. It shouldn't have any radiation. And they mentioned how the screen is actually really bright. So when you guys write stuff on here, it should be really clear. So I'm just get the stylus and write something on here first. Alright, so once you guys finish writing it, you can slide this part back in like this. So that way your stylus is organized. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys finish writing stuff on here. If you guys can see, it's super clear. But like I mentioned, for the one that we got right here, it's a small one. If you guys want a big one, they do have a bigger one available. But if this size is perfect for you guys, then you probably want to get this one right here. But obviously, if you guys don't like this, if you guys want to erase it or whatever, you can definitely press the erase button right here to start all over. And obviously for this product, it's such a perfect gift if you guys want to give it as a gift to your family, your friends, or even for your kids. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys have kids, or if you guys are like a teacher or something. If you guys want to save paper, you can definitely get one of these to give it to your kids, or if you guys want to get this for your class. It definitely works really, really well. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.